by now I have completed you 2 lessons in social studies. Which was the first lesson? That is Festivals of India. That was your first lesson. And second lesson was, which was your second lesson? Second lesson was occupation. Okay. In that lesson, what all I explained about the types of occupation. What are the types? Primary occupation, secondary occupation and tertiary occupation. In that primary occupation, which all I told you? Yes, farming, mining, lumbering. These are all comes under the primary occupation. And secondly, I told it is the secondary occupation. Under the secondary occupation, it comes, that is the processing of raw materials into finished product. And thirdly, I told you tertiary. What is tertiary means? It is the provided service to the people. It provides the services to the people. That's what I explained to you. What are the primary occupation? What are the secondary occupation? And I told you what is lumbering. Lumbering means it is cutting off trees. It is an important occupation in the forest. And how are the woods are used, how the woods are transported, how it is converted. Wood is converted into furniture. You make it as doors, windows, cupboards, all these tables, desks, all this comes from the wood. So the tree is converted into finished product, that is secondary. Then I told you about the fishing also. Fishing is another primary occupation. And I told you about the tertiary occupation, that is the transportation, the communication, which all the product is being manufactured, that has to be transported. Okay, then I told about the doctors, the lawyers, the teachers, they all provide service to the people. That's what I explained to you in the second lesson, that is occupation. Okay children, I think I didn't send you the notes, and today I will send you the notes for the second lesson, that is occupation. Okay, and now I will start with the third lesson, that is people who help us. Okay, people who help us. As you all know, in our daily life, we are depending on each other. We cannot be independent. Is it? Can you live independent? No. We are to depend on each other. For everything, for a single thing also, we are depending on others. Okay. So, that is, we depend on other people and they in turn depend on us. When we are depending on them, they are depending on us in return. Okay, so we are dependent on our parents. How you are dependent? You are dependent on your parents. Okay, for each and everything, for you to eat your food, you depend on your mummy. When you want to get something, there you depend about your daddy. Daddy will depend upon daddy. For each and everything in your life, you are depending on your parents. So, we every day, each and every day, we depend upon our parents. Okay, for our education, for our needs, for our basic needs, food, shelter, clothing. When you want to sleep, you want the company of your mother. So your mother will help you in making you to sleep. So beyond our homes, this is about our home, in your house, your parents will help you. Then out of your home, there are so many people who are helping us every day. Okay, every day. Some of them are the policemen. Policemen, have you all seen the policemen? What is the uniform that the policemen wear? Yes, it is khaki. Is it? Khaki uniform the police will wear. When you see the dress of the police itself, you will identify, oh, it is a policeman. Okay? Policeman, as you know, nowadays during the coronavirus, you see in the TV, so many policemen, they are suffering. They are controlling the people. They are asking the people not to go outside. But still, we are not obeying the policeman. Okay, the policeman, he maintains law and order. He He protects the people from criminals and robbers. If police would be not there, then what would have been happened? You cannot go on the road freely. You cannot wear all the jewels and go on the road. Is it? Because the police are protecting you from robbers. That is the reason why robbers are not coming and snatching and going. Okay, the policeman works hard. You should be alert all the time. Have you seen that? Policemen, shift-wise they come. They take up the charge. They look after the order of maintain the peace in the country. Okay, so the policemen help people to recover their lost property. Whatever the lost property means, sometimes you will go, your daddy will go or your neighbors will go. They will take your bike and go, and they will leave the bike and go to some bank or whatever small works will be having. They'll go and come. By the time the robbers would have taken the vehicle and would have gone. So what will happen? Who will help you in finding out? Yes, of course, it is the policeman. The policeman will find out who has robbed your vehicle and he will get it back. He will work hard and after that he will get your father's bike back. Okay, and this helps us to keep our locality safe and peaceful. In our locality also, because of policemen, because the policeman is alert all the time, the robbers are not entering. If the policeman would have been not there, then what would have been happened? Your house will be robbed by the robbers. They will loot everything and go. Is it? So that is the work of the police. And next I am talking about the traffic policeman. What does the traffic policeman do? The traffic policeman, he controls the traffic on the roads and helps it to move smoothly. If the traffic policeman would have been not there, what all will be happen? There will be lot of accidents. Oh, you will see, oh, the traffic police is not there, let me not wear my helmet and go. Okay, you will not wear your helmet and go. Your father will not wear the helmet and go, then what will happen? He will be met with an accident. Major accident will happen. So you are thinking, oh, the traffic police is looking at me. We have to pay the fine. And that's why we will be aware of that and they will wear the helmet and go. And moreover, they will see the signal light. You know the signal light. The red, green and yellow light will be there. But if the police are not there, what will happen? They will jump the signal and go. Jumping the signal. They will cross the signal and go. The vehicles will come from here and there. What will happen? Yes, of course, there will be a major accident. Okay? And that is why to avoid all this situation, the traffic police, he takes care. A policeman's job is indeed a tough one. At fairs and festivals, you are seen in the fairs and festivals when the festival time. During the festival time, the policemen are walking around. They are controlling the crowd. If the policeman is not controlling the crowd, what will happen? People, everybody will gather there and so many robbery cases will happen or fights will happen, tensions will take place, is it? So overcome that, the policeman is taking his responsibility to stop all the things. So he is a tough worker. He is the one who lets us to run our life smoothly. Okay, so he is the one who is maintaining law and order in the places. Next it is the postman. Little postman. Postman will also help us. How the postman is helping us? We write letter to each other. Your neighborhood, your father is writing a letter to his father. Is writing. Who will take the letter and give? It is the work of the postman. Okay. We also send parcels and gifts. We want to send parcels and gifts. What you will do? You will send it to the post office. The post office directly when the things will go, it will go and reach the post office. From that post office, whether you will come and take and go? No. The postman will carry the gift and parcels and also money order. Okay, so those people who are not having bank account, what they will do? They will send the money through money orders, maybe 500 rupees or 1000 rupees. If they wanted to send it to the village, if the mother is there, if the grandmother is there, if they wanted to give the money, what these people will do? They will send it through money orders, okay? And this one will be the job of delivering letters, parcels, gifts, money order, all done by the postman. The postman will cycle and go. He is going in a cycle. If you go in the bike, he cannot stop here and there and go, is it? So that is the reason why he is go. Some weeks before, the postman used to walk and come. Wherever the postman, nowadays post women are also there, is it? The postman will walk from place to place. He will carry the letters. He will carry the parcel. Whatever it is there, he will carry and go and give it door to door. Delivery he will do. The letters and parcels are to be stamped. When the parcel, whenever you are sending, that should be stamped. When it's stamped only, the things will be delivered to the addressee. Okay? They are sorted out and sent to different places. The post office people, they are sitting in the post office and they are separating according to the address and they are sending it to the people. These are then delivered by the postman to the given address. Whatever address is written to that particular address, this postman will take the letters or parcels or gift or money order and then he will give it to the address people. Okay. Then the postman, he works regularly throughout the year in all weather condition. Okay. Like the farmers. The farmers also will work in all the weather condition. If it is rainy, if it is sunny, if it is hot temperature, then too the farmers are producing a food for us. They are producing food for us. If the farmers are not there, we are not getting any food. We will not get food. We will starve due to hunger and die. Is it, children? So that the postman will work every day throughout the year. He will not see whether the condition, if the condition is worst also, he will carry the umbrella and go. Have you seen so many postmen, they are carrying the umbrellas and going? Yes, they are carrying the umbrella. Whatever the climate may be, they are carrying and going. Okay, a town or a city, many post office with a number of postmen. Many post offices are there, in that many postmen are there. The postman, he plays a very, very important role in bringing us important messages from relatives staying at distant places. The postman. Sometimes maybe 3-4 years before, what will happen? They are waiting, the children are waiting. The children will be waiting for the postman. What is the reason the children was waiting for the postman? That is, they were waiting to get the result. Some schools, what they do, they send the results through postmen, through the postcards. Small card will be there, yellow in color. In that card, they will send you the messages whether you are promoted or you are detained. To get that messages, you will wait near the door. You will waiting for the postman. And once the postman will come, you will run and take the letter and come back. Isn't it? So the postman, he plays a very, very important role in getting you messages from distant places or from the nearby places. Okay? Similar work is carried on by courier service also. The postman also does his work and the courier boys also will do the work. They are the one who will get you the parcels, gifts and whatever, the food items, whatever you have arranged, they are getting and giving you, the delivery boys. They are also working for the people. Okay? They are also the people who are helping you. They are helping us. They are helping you. Is it? So next it is the firemen. What does the firemen do? What is the firemen? There are fire stations in all towns and cities. Fire stations. Okay? Whenever a fire breaks out, the fire brigade is called. What happened? Fire breaks means what? When the suddenly somewhere due to hotness or maybe some short circuit, if the current passing, so that time what will happen? Major accident, fire accident will take place. Then you cannot take the bucket of water and run with a mug of water or glass of water, and you cannot stop the fire. So it is the work of the firemen reach the spot so quickly. As soon as they get the message, immediately they will rush to the place with the fire engines and put out the fire. They off the fire. Okay, have you seen? You have seen so many in the pictures. The movies you have seen, cartoons also they will show, no? That is the fire, the big engine will come. It will have so many pipes, hose. Okay? It will pour the water all around and it will stop. It will off the fire. The fire engines are vehicles equipped with ladders. Have you seen the fire engine? It is having a ladder. Ladder also, through that ladder, they will climb up and put to the, if the height is more, they will use it. The ladder they will climb and go putting out the fire and rescuing the people. Okay? Trapped in the buildings that are. Those people who are trapped inside the building, these people will go and help them. They are least bothered about their life also. Because they wanted to protect the people. They wanted to help the people. That is why we are depending on the others. Is it? I told you, you are depending upon your parents. People are depending on policemen, traffic police, postman, then fireman. Then I come to the teacher. Okay? Teachers are the people who are most familiar to us, to you. To you. You are in third standard children. Whom you are depending on? The teachers. When you come to school, you are doing the lesson? No. The teacher is doing the lesson. You are listening to the teacher. Okay. We learn many things from the school. You learn many things. Teachers teach us many subjects. Okay. They make learning easy and fun. Some of the teachers, they dance and show you. Some of the teachers, they do it activity. They conduct it in activity. Some of the teachers, they draw it and show it on the board. Some of the teachers, they show it through fun ways. Okay, so these are all the different ways that the teacher is helping you. They teach us the importance of being honest and punctual. When you come to school, teachers are explaining to you how you should be punctual to school, how you should be punctual in your life, how you should be honest. So the teachers will lead you to reach your goal. The teachers will explain to you, this is the place, the school is the place where you will learn good habits. Good habits are cultivated here. The teachers will teach you all the good manners which all you should do. Okay, though the teachers are helping us, helping you in your studies and in learning your good manners. Okay, now the doctor. Why do you visit to a hospital? Why, children? Yes, when you are fever, when you have fever, when your health is worst, when your health is not allowing you to sit in your place, when you are not able to go and play outside, we visit the doctor's clinic or dispensary, we fall ill. When we fall ill, where do you go? Whether you go to a hotel? No. Whether you will go to school? No. Then where you will go? You will go to a clinic or a dispensary. Okay? He prescribes medicine. The doctor will check you and prescribe you with the medicine. The doctor gives us vaccination. Okay? To protect us from many diseases. Okay? So, if special care is required, we are admitted in the hospital. If the sickness you have is serious, then what they will do? They will keep you under observation. The doctor will come time to time. He will check you. checkup he will do. He will give certain medicine. If the medicine has to be changed, he will change the medicine. He is helping the people. Okay. So now there are special doctors who treat animals and take care. Not only doctors are there for human beings. There are certain doctors who take for the animals also. Okay, the doctors are called veterinary doctors. The doctors who take care of animals. Animals who take care of the animals, they are called as the veterinary doctors. Okay, there are primary health center where you will have the government hospitals. Okay, government hospitals and dispensary. Okay, for a group of villages. When it is talking about villages, there you have the welfare center. Okay, a doctor treats our illness and help us to stay healthy. Okay, children. So similarly, there are so many people like peon, the security. He is also taking care. Because the children, when once enter the school, you cannot go out because he is protecting you. He is taking care of you. There are so many people who are there to help us. The lawyer, engineers, bank people, is it? So many. But for you, this is enough. Maybe in further classes, I'll be explaining to you still more. Okay. So now, a domestic helper, cleaner, utensils and wash utensils, these are all the helpers. Aya, your worker will come to your house. She will wash your vessels. She will wash the clothes. She is also helping you. Understood, children? So, a fireman puts out fire. A teacher teaches many subjects. And a postman brings us letters and parcels. These are all the important people who help us. Understood? We should be grateful to them. We should help them. We should cooperate with them. Then only they can also work for us. Okay, especially during this corona time, you have seen no policemen. How many policemen they are affected with corona because they are catching the robbers. They are stopping the vehicles. They are stopping the traffic. And that is how they are helping the people. Understood, children? But now you have understood the people who help us are very, very important. We are depending on each other. For a single thing also, we are depending on each other. Okay, children? So, I'll be sending you the second lesson notes. You copy the notes. Okay? Thank you.